Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we're showing you how to make these delicious tostadas bañadas in salsa. They are the perfect delicious snack. For this recipe, we're using white onion, 4 tomatoes, a jalapeno pepper, cilantro, garlic, and tomato sauce. Let's start off by boiling the 4 tomatoes and the jalapeno pepper. If you want your salsa more spicy, you can add more chiles to it. Now for the white onion, we're going to use about half of it, and you're going to chop it up as thinly as possible. I'm already crying. Once you're done cutting the onion, add it to a bowl.
Wash it up.
Oh, this one's ready.
The tomatoes and the jalapeno pepper are ready now. You can tell when they're super soft.
This one.
While the tomatoes and the jalapeno pepper cool off a little bit, we're gonna start cutting our cilantro. Try to cut your cilantro as thinly as possible as well, and then add it into the bowl with the onion. Alright, now mix it all up. Now for the garlic, you're going to add it into the blender with the tomato and the peppers. Adding your tomato sauce into the blender as well. Next, we're adding 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon into the blender. Alright, this jalapeno pepper is ready. You can tell when it's soft. I'm gonna cut off the end, we don't need that part. Now I'm adding a pinch of kosher salt. You can add this to your liking. Now let's take this to blend. While the salsa is blended, we're gonna get a pot, add in a bit of oil, and let it warm up. Once it's hot, add in your salsa. And you're gonna let this cook until it simmers. Give it a quick mix. Before we continue, let's take a quick moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, you can see the salsa bubbling, that's because it's ready. I'm gonna mix it one last time. Add it to the bowl with the cilantro and onion. Ooh, this smells amazing. Can't wait to try it out. This is a delicious snack. Once you're adding your salsa, go ahead and give it a quick mix. And this salsa is ready. Would you look at that? Yum, 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 yum. Now grab your tostada and coat it with the salsa. I'm gonna make quite a few because I cannot just only have one. I ended up making 5. You can also add salsa of your choosing. Here I have Valentina, Cholula, and Buffalo Classica. I'm gonna add some lemon to it, and I'm choosing the Valentina for this one. You guys, I love this snack. This definitely gets a thumbs up. By the way, you can also dip the tostada into the salsa like this. Make sure you get the salsa all over. This recipe was so easy to make. I hope you guys try it out. Well, this is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and see you guys on the next one.